Mania. The more percent Ghana ye. Some of my young can correct. The Unia, yet. Now see Union men can. Over then I will pray what I say. Ghana. Ye. I can't bring a first with me. Now, me are disappointed in the army of Abnasa. Say, Mimikwa. Or no, a chairman. Or no, a chairman. Omu sanity who said the Bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. A coin. Now, Uncle checking in minutes. Say, she a friend beside or car say. Omo aye at 85%. Then I hear Kowa, Oma Mianko. See, Minia, Asana Abba, NDC for mistake, MPP for mistake. A Ghana, and ye did not to a passo, and ye who. Yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, Obi says, ye didn't call China. A refer will be or India. And to see a year. You better call India and not China. Say, Yabian Toa, and I will say, more dainty, would make cut near Opibia. May MPP for them ye better. May can be the answer. Now, Omufi said, Niomo Yano, our campaign, they may dean, they can't shut me down. Ghana for person here. Mummy say agenda 111. To be completely back Ukraine. Almost ton contract, and you might other people at 10%. Ghana, me say, and then NPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, when I catch you say, me my president, Amini, maybe free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not NPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom. Sabako Krom Ria. They sold Obiti contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing NDC for me, and we're being so dear. Contract Abraham, he said, on ye now on 11%, $55 million or per 11%. And you want to advance 7% and say, oh, dear, Massa. Ghana, Ghana, politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And Obi and Jimmy come on to. Ah, my jeans, everything, men Casania, you know. Obi and Jimmy scare me out this country. So long as I live, Nami Ghana ni, Nami 2 coin, Nami Musani and Kofo, building Womukura. Me ma Obi and scare me out Ghana. I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. And some promise I need you on my building agenda 111, I won't put please, I am Ghana. I mean, movie, I'm sorry, Bamuko Hospital, baby. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. And obviously, we are better. Now, what do I mean? Who are Castle me a bit and who will be? Who will be? Now, what I catch yourself president, big one. Why in the catch yourself president in Kwa? Everybody, we are more sorry, I'm more quiet, la sulala. I'm more begging for a businessman for Sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Mina officer, me a better. Mosuma Winikra, Mutme Kasa. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I think they want to bring in Amoto. Kasa says, Yababa the foul. Who is defending MPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasa Boa and show. My shadow my 18. But Obia Pawanya documents I'm remember out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter.
Honorable, now 2021 on the issue of Galamsey, okay, say approach a ye yusu. Say ye pesi di tu ase no emwa but rather kese say conscientize the minds of omo ye involved no omo nyina eboa ye timi etu ase
afetie ni ye omo se me ye better MPP for we couldn't fight Galamsey because majority of executives in Ghana, no me Galamsey. And also woman control a woman platform. Miss Rome. Miss Rome. Then I move country nisa. We are more be blame will be. Me a better. Me a better said the other. Me say me call election. Me say me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for MPP. That mean I will have a catch 10 cents of Canadian Japan. And now let me talk. I mean, my private self, Mimini Abronia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Atachia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrastapo and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Chairmansa and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Kota and Kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, Makasa. You see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More mistakes you want to hear. Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, Ekas Omukwa and Kura and Yayo. What's now 8 years ago? Well, Muslim Kura at the bow. I didn't get a moment here, Canopy. What's now 8 years? Well, who said Kura? And now will be about 15 months ago. Who called the Kura? Mobianjo, my Ghana, you. That the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, and you may be see Ghana. If yes, you were Tunisia, only a thing. If you are a politician, now please, when you scar, Monfoso, Namia Bita. This time, Obia Beta said me, I'm a Tebiachero. What do you mean? Abranya, who is it? Abranya, me? The man is to come and correct campaign. Or say, Bawomia, Ecofa, a Semini, I'm not the Tuno, which I saw him, the man. The man, car first. And you know what choosing I also was stationer. Masada Mighty. When you say from June 2027, MPP for minimum action or Ghana, you will be surprised. And you are I am not afraid of any human being. I am Kubon, ne what body nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I can Japan. I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. You have a boni pabaso. If you will now could defend the LPP. And please, I urge you, information you asan wa bekasa. Anya sa kwaya obefa so akasa, mi sima tumi akasa bi. Mi suro bia e wo Ghana. Obi aso mobra enche. Opa bu tu kwaya said yesi and respect you na bedua. Wo obi ti say koka say me ya kwa mi tirim. Oni mu ya beto no. And before me say July. No action. Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Canadian Japan. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, me see Miss Romo cabinet. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027. You see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma yenyina no tieniye omunko ridi omunko tie Kenny Rogers minyum your friend the gambler na womun famu nyansa mu hunye nti amema yeti I know when to run and I know when to hit omun nyimi ne eba wo mo so now this is mislo mine I say abranya pa won nin samfu o Ghana minyum opia Obetabi, obi a me feed you. Onye hu ni abato no Ghana. Onye hu abranya. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be amabodi di bia chairmansa, opa chairmansa no papa in there. And the Kumasi apari, monjimi anya. Useless people.
Honorable ma yema wase na yemfansia emrepam yebesan ba na yedi nkomo